close to 3 hours. The Indian cricket team was training in the nets. They had a lot of catching sessions to be done. The new fielding coach, Mr. Ghosh, was at it with the team, making them take those slow and low catches, expecting the surface to be on the slower and lower side. And there was an extended spell of slip catching for the likes of KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Dhruv Jurel. Even Sarfaraz Khan joined the act because you never know which player you would need from the squad. We're 2 sleeps away from the start of the first test between India and Sri Lanka here at the iconic Galle International Cricket Stadium. The Galle Fort is right behind me, and you just cannot start a video or write an article without mentioning that magnificent Galle Fort overlooking this stadium. WTC final spot is up for grabs if they beat Sri Lanka in both the tests. The series starting on August 15th. Special date to start the series, and both Gautam Gambhir and Captain Gill will be pumped up to start the series on a very good. They had a full-fledged practice session after they came to Galle. They had a rest day, they had a travel day, so 2 days of no cricket, just some gym and release work, some pool sessions. And now, when they hit the ground running, they made that session now for close to 3 hours. The Indian cricket team was training in the nets. They had a lot of catching sessions to be done. The new fielding coach, Mr. Ghosh, was at it with the team, making them take those slow and low catches, expecting the surface to be on the slower and lower side. And there was an extended spell of slip catching for the likes of KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Dhruv Jurel. Even Sarfaraz Khan joined the act because you never know which player you would need from the squad. It was business as usual as far as the batters were concerned, and the batting group is unlikely to change for this match as far as the playing 11 is concerned. I see the batting order in this sequence. There could be some movement here and there. KL Rahul, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Devdutt Padikkal, Shubman Gill, then you will have Rishabh Pant, then you will have either Dhruv Jurel or Ravindra Jadeja, and the next person to follow. Now the big question is about the bowling. Who will play? How many seamers, how many spinners? So still an early guess, still an early punt to make, but I think it's going to be a 3-seam plus 2 spinner attack. You'll have Prasidh Krishna, Noor Brar, Mohammad Siraj as the 3 quicks, and then you'll have your 2 bowlers in Ravindra Jadeja and Kuldeep Yadav. Jadeja gives you depth to the bat. Noor Brar can bat. Kuldeep obviously has that capability of hanging around. He has been spending a lot of time on his batting with the coaches Sudhanshu Kotak and Gautam Gambhir. They've been repeatedly discussing about his batting, so there's no dearth of effort as far as Kuldeep's batting is concerned. And on this pitch, with drift coming into play, I think both Jadeja and Kuldeep would be a handful, and they'll have the 3 seamers. You know, they should have those 3 seamers because Warne Mockle said that they don't expect this pitch to be a rank turner. He didn't say it in as many words, but the mood was such that ये rank turner तो नहीं होने वाला, and even the mood inside the Indian team is such that it will take turn, it will gradually take turn, but not from day one. It's not going to be a rank turner from day one, and they expect the seamers, they even expect reverse swing to play a part because the outfield right now is a bit soft because of the rain which has happened in Galle in the last 1 week. But if there's no rain in the coming week, then it could well become hard again. The ball will get scrubbed up early. उल्टी चलने के लिए वो बॉल दोबारा से बन जाएगी. So बहुत कुछ up for grabs है. Playing 11 का लेखा जोखा हमने आपको बता ही दिया. Whatever happened in nets today, the mood in the team has been very good. Starting with the coach, the captain, all looked in high spirits. Chairman of men's senior selection committee, Ajit Agarkar, is also here. He was brainstorming, ideating the playing 11. Lot of chatter around the pitch, near the pitch, by the menu matter, the 3 people we just mentioned about Gambhir, Gill and Agarkar. And come 15th, they would hope that they play the right specialist in the right position because they don't have the all-rounders who have been playing regular test cricket. We don't have the likes of Nitish Kumar Reddy, Washington Sundar, who have been unavailable. And then in absence of Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Siraj will be leading that pace attack. So we'll join you again from here, ground zero in Galle. You keep watching TOI Sports, like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified. For now, I'll take your leave. Keep watching.